What's up everyone, this is Masa Shibata from Bangkok, Thailand. How are you guys doing? Today I want to share with you something that I bought recently that I am pretty excited to use. Ta-da! This, you guys, is a rice cooker. I've been using the pot that was already here when I moved in to cook my rice, and first I really had troubles cooking rice. It either burnt on the bottom or it became too soggy and wet. It was just a horrible start, but I got used to it. I got used to having the right amount of water and adequate heat and how many minutes to cook the rice. But now, with this guy in my hands, I do not need to worry about any of that. So let's unbox this and see what it's like. I actually haven't bought a rice cooker in almost 10 years, I think. And now the second rice cooker that I bought myself in my life is in Thailand. But it's Japanese, but it's a Japanese maker, Toshiba. They were doing a sale on Lazada. By the way, Lazada is a very convenient online shopping store. The two main online shopping stores I use is Lazada and Shopee. So those two are just great. So I bought this from Lazada. They were doing a sale for this one. So, okay, let's open it up. It's like it's saran wrapped or something. Okay, we're almost there. Sometimes people say that you should use a scissor or a hand knife. Still got it. The Toshiba rice cooker, the Hon Atsugama series. Hon Atsugama series. So let's unbox it and see what it's like. First we have the paperwork. It is in Thai. Of course it's in Thai. Let's hope there's English. Yep, we do have English. Do they have Japanese, by the way? I doubt it. I think it's Thai or English. Yep, it's Thai or English. So we have the paperwork. Here's the cord. Alright, let's unbox this baby. Ta-da! Here we go! The Hon Atsugama series. Nice! Ooh. Yep, they come with a scale. You call it a scale? It's like one of those things that you put rice in and you can know how much rice you are putting in. We have this plate. I think it's for steaming. That looks cool. Kamado. By the way, kamado, it means one of those pots. It used to be clay pots. We call them donabe. Clay pots are donabe right now, but you know, the Japanese used to cook rice in kamado, like big pots, and that's where this comes from. Even if it turns electric, we still use that name. On the inside here, you can see the measurement. Yeah, it says white rice, brown rice, mixed rice, or congee. Congee, by the way, is, I think I'm not sure if it's Thai or if it's Chinese, but it's one of those porridges that people eat for breakfast, and ooh, it's very delicious. I love it with ginger. Oh, I want to have some congee. Anyways, let's try this out. How it works, how delicious we can make rice, and I'll get back to you later. Turned on. I hope it's not started. Cancel. when I press cancel, it goes to keep warm. We can't plug this until we are really ready for rice, so let's unplug. I'll get back to you when I'm ready with the rice. Water up to this 2 because I used 2 scoops of this. That's how it works. Yep, that'll do. Okay, let's cook. Boom! Boom! I guess it means it's gonna take 15 minutes to cook white rice. So see you guys later in 15 minutes, and in the meanwhile I will be doing some workout. Okay, so I've waited a little bit, but it doesn't change. And maybe some of you might have noticed, but you have to press cook so that it cooks. So now I guess it's started. Yeah, how simple is that? I was 1 second behind. I think you heard a little bit of the beep sound, but yep. It's ready. It's ready. Here goes nothing. 3, 2, 1. Open! Oh, the fragrance! It is definitely rice. Okay, I can't wait to have this. Before anything, I have to try the taste, you know, because it's kind of insulting to the rice or to the rice cooker that used its powers to cook this rice for me, and it is the first time ever that I am going. By the way, they come with, I guess this is for the kanji, and this is the shamoji, the rice fluffer or whatever you call them. But today I'm using the one that I already have, which is this. It smells so good. Okay, so I'm gonna try this. So there's a rice that has been cooked, and I'm gonna try this 2 ways. One is with pickled plums, another one is with salted squid. So let's bring them. So here are the ingredients. The pickled plum. This is the pickled plum, and this is the salted squid. The salted squid. Let's go with the pickled plums first. And place it here. And before the pickled plum, let's have a quick bite of the rice. It's good, good. Oh, it is so good. It's sour. This is rice. It's good, it's really good. The rice, each individual rice isn't as fluffy, but if you choose your rice, I think it's gonna be very fluffy and flavorful. It's actually very sweet. A little bit hard. Maybe I should have added a little bit more water, but oh, it's still so good. Okay, let's go for the salted squid. You know, salted squid with rice is just awesome, guys. And salted squid itself, this goes really, really well with sake, Japanese sake. And yeah, it's really salty too. And there are some people who like it and who don't like it because it has a pretty strong scent. Salted squid with rice. It's like I feel like I'm back in Japan. Oh man, oh man. Maybe I was back in Japan right now. Where am I? Who am I? So that was very delicious. Ooh, it's awesome. It's very, very awesome. What? I just read the production date. It said December 11th, 2020, and I thought that was the expiration date, and I bought it like in February. I was like, what the heck? Anyways, it was very delicious. I'll try looking up some other recipes that I can make with the rice cooker. So I will upload my videos trying that out. So I guess see you in the next video. Please press like if you liked it and hit the subscribe button for more videos. So that is it for today. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. And see you in the next video. Bye bye.